Okay, all right. So the only thing is testing this about, I guess, how we fix. Hello, hello, hi. All right, let's get to it. All right, it's no big deal. Let's move on. Um, Now let's check something here. Are we live or not? Did I put it on private? Let me see. Okay, it's going to be on private. All right, let's put it. Oh, before I do that, let me do some stuff really quick. Let's remove this. If I need it, shit, I have to fix this. Remove those things. Add them. Okay, and then go to one of my other one and quickly do this. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Huh. I already have those things there. Oh, okay. I have the ninja thing here. Let's start with this. Tech market open now. Uh, okay, and then let me make sure my website is there. Let's see if we Discord. Alright, I'm going to this, to the dot, to this. Ah, fuck. I have to copy the tag over there. Where is the tag? I don't even have a tag here. Okay, I didn't have the tag. Okay, we'll deal with that after. Alright, let's just go ahead and go live with this motherfucker. Not on entertainment, we're gonna put that into MOOCs thing. Okay, right save, let's put this probably just testing stuff. What? Okay, alright then. Okay, let's go right here. Okay. All right. We got this the wrong picture here. Let me make sure this is getting pulling up. Okay. This is the right one. Okay, welcome and welcome, welcome. It is now 9:34. The market is practically open and it's almost 5 minutes. As usual, we only need a few, uh, yeah, as usual, we only need a few minutes, right? So let's give this a shot right now, right? We're gonna wait for the to get to take advantage of the five minute orb, the opening range, right? As usual. So we're about to get to it, right? So take a few trades. Uh, yeah, yep. As of now, you can see that we are stuck in a tiny range on all time frame here. This is the 15 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute and see how it look. See, there's a tiny range. The range is from let's say it's from 28,046. Bottom of the range. We're currently in the bottom of the range on the smaller time frame, but on the bigger time frame, clearly we are still heading downtown, right? The there's a tiny range there on the smaller time frame, but on the bigger time frame, you see we're making lower high. This is previous high. This is another high right here, and now we also on a lower high here. But as far as lower time frame concerned, we are in a tiny range. All right, so we'll be looking for a trade soon. Uh, yeah. Okay. Let's uh let's get to it. Still waiting. There's some opportunity that maybe exists here. Let me go to 1 minute just to see if we can catch a trade. We're just heading downtown right now, and we just break below there. Where we are the 730s. We tap 730, so I would think that we can go a bit deeper. The fact that we tap 27 830, I think we can go much deeper. Let's look at the 4 hours to see where we are by squeezing this to see are we anywhere. Yeah, we are here. Okay, there's little support around 820, 820, but I think we can come deeper. I see down here the next area where we will make a pit stop is all the way down to the 27, 460, 470 ish, possibly 27, 400. All right, that's a long way down. So I'm going to look for a trade here. Let me see. Shit, we already reached there. Hold on. We almost reached that 27. Let's see. Because since they passed 10, there is, yeah, they're already there. Too late. I was going to click to catch the last 10 points, but did they touch it yet? They didn't touch it. People think it's been touched. Well, too late. I could have catch that 10 point anyway, once again, but I. Let me put my other glasses on so I see much better here. Okay. All right. All right. Let's do this. see my little flat avatar here. He's having fun. All right, I'm going to. Okay, we're continuing going down, but the fact that we just switched the 27,800, I'm not in a rush to just jump in and do something here. Right? So I'm gonna chill. Uh, yeah, cool, cool, cool. All right. It looks like my yeah, I'm almost getting. What's happening here? I create my own video capture and editor with AI. So now I don't even use the OBS or these other tools, and I can see that I'm getting pretty really nice. As far as the delay, there's almost no delay whatsoever. Because I'm looking at, yeah, the delay is really, really negligible now. It's less than a second. Yeah. All right. Okay. Uh, let's, we're gonna take a trade, but it's just that I should have taken a trade. I wasn't. I was talking crap right here. We had a break, and I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to fix my new toy, which is the new video editor, and also enjoying my little avatar here, talking smack. Yeah. Okay. I've, well, I'm still working on making a more 3D version. Okay. Anyway, at this point, since we missed that break of the 5 minute opening range, which was a really good one, really, really, really good one. We're gonna wait. There's gonna be another break here coming, but I don't wanna take it on that candle that is there currently on the 5 minute. I would prefer to wait on the next candle, and I'm gonna switch that back to. Remember, I mentioned that 27,400 to 27, yeah, is might be in the card, but for now we're gonna focus on getting down to the 27,700 here. So they break down that little. This candle is actually trying to continue breaking down. Maybe we could catch a 10 points going toward 50. Let me see where we are. We are at 60. But why is my trade not registered here? Do I have the wrong? Okay, no, I don't. It should have registered. It's too late. I did click to enter the trade for some reason. My trade didn't go through, so I gotta check what's going on. Yeah. Okay. All right. We break the 50 convincingly, so I'm gonna wait for the next time they come down and break below. Let me see if I place an order sitting there. Does it stay? But it's not showing here, is it? There's something strange happening here. I mean, oh, I know why. Okay. Let me make sure this thing shows. Okay, it's not on the right thing. I'm on Bulenox. Bulenox. Okay, the order just. All right. Okay, let's get back. So now we're in the right place. So when I place an order, you should be able to see it. What the heck happened? I did. Okay, so we went down a little bit, and somehow, while I was fixing things, my order got in, and we're tracing. So I'm gonna get ready to place another order because I think we're going downtown on the next. We're gonna go to that 27,700, but let me wait there at the 40. Okay, things is getting stupid here. It's the new 5 minutes, so let me wait. Okay, it's coming. Oh shit. Okay, it's coming right there. I miss it. I missed the opportunity. I'm gonna stay there at the 30 because I really think we're going downtown. Okay, all right. So, all right, that's good. That's good. All right. Okay, they kick us out of the. We did get the trade going, so now they didn't reach the 700 yet. I'm gonna try to catch it at the 10 the next time he breaks it to catch the move to 700. Okay, that's if they don't come back and hit my stop, which they will do, as usual. All right, no big deal. I'm going in again. Okay, then, well, I'm going in, but it did not take my order and continue. You see, they fucked up thing with these guys, man. Yeah, fucked up things, man. It's a trade, a winnable trade. They find ways to fuck me up. All right, we're down to the 680, and remember I said we can go all the way down to the 27 400s. So as of now, I don't want to jump on that all the way down to the 680. I'm gonna wait for it to retrace because it's gonna retrace back and test at 700 and possibly go up to maybe test at 710. Let me see the top of that 5 minute candle here. 750. I don't think it's gonna get that far, but what I think don't matter. We're about to make new low, so I'm gonna play that new low. Let me put a stop on that. It might be crazy I do that, but keep the stop up there for now. They got close enough to my target of 60, and then trying to retrace to see if they can hit somebody's stop. Come on. Okay. There's a lot of shenanigan going on, so I don't. They might come back and hit my stop again, even though the move is gonna happen. You see. All right. So now they didn't come back. We continue. Let's skip the runner here and see if the runner can push down. Well, they take it out right away. What a damn fool, man. They're gonna go to. It will be a better entry once we get in again. But for now, on this candle, it's tough to get in on this 5 minute candle now. But since it's retracing back, we might be able to catch it on the right time. If we catch it, this is 500. It's on the 700 now. If we can't keep pushing, how it's keeping pushing right now. Uh, and plus, this was the 15-minute opening range that just happened. This action that happened here. So, wait, why? Okay, my thing. I gotta bring it closer. Uh, I'm staying at the 700 just in case it come back. All right. Okay. So this is what's happening right now. Price is retracing. Let me see. And it looking could try to create a reversal candle on the 5 minutes charts here. Let's change this to the hourly chart so we can see what the hourly start to look like. Still looking mad ugly on the hourly here. Okay. Yeah, still mad ugly. So, but they really are trying to keep that candle up there. But I tell you what, if they break 20, I am interested here. If they break 20, Even though that 5 minute candle looking okay, it's really a reversal candle. The truth is, I should not. Okay, hold on. There's new candle 3 bar play on the 5 minute, potentially going to test. Right here, it's already there in no time. The 800, it's almost there. It's already there. Test it already. It's practically there. It didn't touch it, but it's there. All right, I'm gonna try to catch a. Oh shoot! Here we trace the entire thing here. I was gonna say I was gonna try to catch a 10 point on the way going to really touch the 800 because they didn't really touch it. Okay, let's get ready to catch our shot once again here. Instead of touching it, they're coming back to break below. So we're gonna try to see if we could catch something on the way down. A break of 720. Ah, god damn it. Well, maybe it was good that they didn't take my order. Okay, I'm staying there at the 720. And I think we're gonna go right back and revisit down there. Okay, quick, quick, quick. Ah, come on. They quickly take. I mean, the trade works, but they take my money out. That's all. All right, let me see if I could catch another shot here. Because the candle, I mean, this stupid candle is just stupid. It went up and then come back and then went down. Now it's creating a doji. But the fact that it went up and come back all the way down there, I think they're coming down to go test that low. So I'm staying there at the 20, 720. This is a 1 minute candle and it appeared the last 1 minute was a doji. So if this one, once it break below that 721 convincingly, it's gonna go down here again and test that. So I'm gonna wait there and see what happened. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Okay, they chose not to come down right away. They're choosing to go test that 800 instead. So, but I don't want to take it. Let me see. All right, let's do it. Let me see why they are. They are the 70. We could catch something here. Let me put this. Ah, god damn it. Let me try to catch it. If they break 60 again, we could catch that counter trend. But unfortunately, things change again. So I gotta chill because this is not showing where it's going at this point. But it's going downtown though because it's gonna test that 700 now. I think my previous idea of catching the shot around here was the better idea. All right, they want to test the low. Uh, I'm gonna stay there at the 80s. All right, and then I'm gonna keep moving that up if the opportunity presents itself again to break below that 700. My stop is just 10 points, so I expect this kind of thing to happen. Let me just chill because we're not picking a direction here at this point. We're just standing there messing around. So, what time is it? Okay, that explains it. A new hourly candle is about to show, so people are nervous. But we're gonna look for one more here. I don't just come and take my goddamn thing here. Just come and test that 700. Ah, god damn it. Take my runner out. So I have to wait. Let me see if I could. Well, I'll just let it do this because I already take my runner out. Yeah. All right, we're gonna catch another one because they're gonna come and make new lows. That's the thing. I'm waiting there at the 90. Once they break 90, we can get a quick move down to the 80s here. Okay, all right, here we go. Huh. Continue now. It's just, this thing is just annoying, man. They never keep my runner alive. Anyway, we're back to the 80s area. We're gonna try to catch something here after they break 80 because they are heading down to see. God damn it. It's just so annoying. See, they're coming back. They're going downtown, right? But they gonna keep chopping and come for the little guy. Stop. You see? Now they're about to do the same thing again. Come on. Yeah. I know you're going down. They're gonna keep chopping. That's why when things are volatile like that, right? You use micros, so you can put your stop all the way up there, and then right, keep stay in the stay and continue riding that price because look, we're about to make new low. I'm staying there at the 60s. Okay, it's going above 80 again. Going to test that 700 one more time. Stay there at the 90, slide below 90, and continue to. All right, not staying there anymore. I'm staying down here. Why? Because they came down. They did not touch the low, and then there's a green candle. So I'm gonna wait to see what happened. Maybe the next time they come to make the new low, they're just gonna push down with. Oh shit! What time is it? Yeah, I should wait for the next hourly candle. All right, let me wait. The reason is you want to wait for the next hourly candle. This is the current hourly candle that is going on right now. It was a massive one. The next hourly candle may not just dump right away, right? It may first push up a little to create a wick, and then if it's gonna continue the move and then push down. But 600 is very close here. I, I don't see why they will not go in and touch it. But 3 minutes, I don't think they have enough time to go down there. I think by the time they reach 600, it will be time for the new candle, and then they will get some people caught by thinking that we're going straight down to 600. It looks like one of the favorite uh, grass guys are out there doing their thing. So yeah, we could catch it 10 points. It looks like they're about to make the new low. I'm gonna see if we could catch it here. Between once they break 60, it will be a quick 10 points on the new low. New low. Come on. Come on. You know you wanna make that new low. There we go. That was quick. And then quickly come back and take my runner out. So yeah. Okay. It's no big deal. Now they're gonna continue to move down. But I will not enter a trade now because of new hourly candle is coming up. It's gonna come in 1 minute, and I think when the new hourly candle come, it's going to potentially make a move, right? I'm gonna switch my charts to 15 minutes to look at something here, and also I need to print something. Not print. I send. I don't know. Is when if your video is embedded somewhere, do you get the credit when people watch it on you on on the embedded website, right? Like let's say somebody copy your link and they put it on the website, and when people click on it, it doesn't take them to YouTube. Right? They watch it right there. I don't know. Does the credit? Do you still get the view credit? I have no idea. I suspected it's not because I'm suspecting some of the guys that at YouTube is watching, but it looks like I mean on my Discord is watching, but they probably just click and the video plays straight there on the Discord instead of opening a new YouTube link. All right, okay. This is what I was talking about the hourly candle. You see, when it comes, it push up, and people who think that it was just gonna go straight down, they they got stopped out already. Now, since we're up here, I think we can catch a move to the 750. I'm gonna prep for a little counter trend action. Next time they break 20. All right, they did not break. They just come and test 15-minute opening and did not break. So the Y20, okay. Uh, yeah, I know that was gonna happen. Uh, because of the volatility, they're gonna go to 750 here based on what I see. Where's the why is this guy making so much noise out there? Alright, we're below, we're coming back test 700. Okay, here we go. Where's the where the heck is this guy? Oh, it's the neighbor on the other side. Alright. Okay, Runner is kicking ass. There was two reasons that make that trade work is they come back to the 700 once again and they did not just push down up, aggressively. And the other thing is, if you look there on the 1 minute, we have like a three bar play. This is a bar, this is another bar. This is the pause, and this is the extension bar. Fortunately for us, we were playing the 700, so therefore we catch a good portion of that three bar on the 1 minute. Now, price reach this area here, it can go higher all the way to here to that 78800 here, even all the way up here if there's traders that want to push it because the resistance is all the way up there, right? It's all the way at the 27 845 850 ish. So yeah, but this is the 15 minute, right? Let me see, in the 5 minute. Yeah, on the 5 minute, you see London. Okay, so the 840 ish area is doable because London low is also sitting there, right at the resistance area. Okay, uh, it's good to know. All right, I'm going to before I do that, let me open this app first to take the screenshot. One, actually, I don't have to do this now. Yeah, I don't have to do it now. We'll do it later, so the guy stays busy on the video. This guy, man, with his goddamn thing, with the noise. Sorry about that, guys. All this noise. I'm gonna put music a little bit on. Oh, there's one more thing I wanted to do, right? Yeah, I wanted to add. Okay, let me go grab that. Must have it somewhere. Uh, All right, still still waiting here because we stuck on whatever that what's happening there. Okay, let me take this. This is what. Just copy this. Let me add this. Add that on that other one while we wait. Oh, okay. We start breaking above this one here. So we're getting ready to go and test the London low and potentially go to the 800. So what we're gonna do is we can catch 10 points going toward 80 if it doesn't touch 80 yet. All right, here we go. We didn't catch the 10 point because by the time we enter, the goddamn candle already moved. So we have to re-enter. All right, let's see if we can get it. Get that 70. Freaking thing. All right, it's no big deal. Let me see. This is 50. And the 15 minute is not. Let me see what the 5 minute is doing. 5 minute is right there in the. Okay, they could get up there. All right, they could. I'm gonna get ready to catch that move again on the next. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. While this is happening, we'll leave that runner to do the running job. Okay. We got to 90. We're gonna test the 800, but they might play a game before testing it. So we'll stay here, see if an opportunity will present itself. When the break back above 27,760, that's when they're gonna attempt to go again. So we'll stay around here and waiting for that breakout to happen. Okay, they're coming below that all the way down here, so we could catch something earlier than at 740, even earlier at 730. Yeah, they're just going down. Ooh wee! I forget about that long because the bear really come to play. They come to play. They're not messing around. So remember I mentioned on the earlier the hourly candle would go down, right? And when it goes down, it would potentially do what it's doing now. It would go up first, create long wick, and then to continue the move down because they didn't finish. They didn't get to business yet. They didn't get to 600. And they are working toward getting there now. Yeah, I think I am not going to look for long at this point because they retraced this entire move from the long side. Instead, I'm going to prepare to catch a move toward the 650. Once they break that 660 here, but actually, I'm going to take it around here if they come back. Although this candle I'm about to take the trade on is not the best candle because it create long wick above, long wick below now, so it become a annoying range candle. Okay, let me stay there at 80. Let's see. Um, the problem is there's not enough time. Let me see, 40 second. Eh, Since I'm always looking for like 10 points, I might be able to, god damn it, just go down and, okay. It did give me the 10 point. I wasn't, okay, I got it anyway. I was going to say I didn't move my target to the location that would equal 10 points, which was the 7. But I think we're going down to 50. So the next time they come to 70, it's however, if I look at the 5 minute here, they are playing a little game. So although the candle formations definitely set up to go down to create a bear leg here. So, but I don't think catching it on this specific candle right now is the smartest idea. But let me see. If they break 90, they will go a bit deeper. I'm staying there below 90. All right, I was about to do something here to add. Okay, I was adding something on this thing here. I don't need it. Okay, just save. Okay. All right, let's continue. Okay, it looks like okay, it's, I don't trust this. Let me remove that because I think the fact that they're still messing around here, they can push and go test up here. So my stop will get hit. Let me just wait. When they come and finally seriously come to break that 60, 760, I mean 660, then I'll be interested because it looks like they're gonna chop people. You can see clearly they're forming, even though it's gonna be a bear flag. But in this location here, they can chop you because they're creating a tiny range. So okay, it looks like they're getting ready to go to that break that 760. Let's see if we could catch it on time. I'm gonna stay there slightly below 70. Let's see. Come on. They got my runner out. God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna stay there all the way down here then at the 755 since they got my runner. Yeah. Yeah, the trade works. It's just my runner started to move. So they got to that 750 now. It's right at the bottom. If they start breaking below the 750, let me see. The last time the low was 742. On a new 5 minute candle that is gonna come, we might be able to catch the rest of the move to go down to test the 27,600 here. I don't know if I should take that trade, but I'm already there because I don't. They're gonna make the new low. I think I should take it. Anyway, yeah, I should have taken it because new low was breaking of the 742. I mean 642. All right, so now we're gonna wait to catch. Let me see how much time. There's still 1 minute. Okay. Let me see. If they break 20 again, I'll take it. What the freaking thing? Now I didn't take it exactly at the 20. Okay, it works out. Come on, runner. Let's go down to that 600 here. Since they didn't wait to for the next candle that would give them some more excitement, so they decide to just punch through. So I think I could catch another trade here. Let me prep myself because they did not reach. The next time they breach this 30 here, 630. If they breach it again, I can see them make the move down to go test that 27,600. Okay, I stay there. The only problem is, okay, this is a new 5 minute candle. It has no wick at bottom. That's good news. That means once they break down there, they're gonna attempt to go. Let me move this back. Okay, all right. Okay, so we catch that nicely. Whoever's there with me, thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Okay, we still did not make it down there. I think we can still go. I'm still gonna play that 730 here if they break it. My only thing is I did not move my. Okay, that's fine. We still made it. I didn't move my target on time because they're gonna go down to the 600, but they're still messing around here. Okay, it looks like we could catch another one. I'm still staying here. I think we could catch that move to first target. I use the 10 just, and then I know they're gonna go down to the 600. Okay, all right. Don't take my runner. I quickly take the runner out. God damn it. It's like they moved 10 point down and 10 point up. Now they're gonna go to the 600. Let's see if we could. All right, let's see if we could catch a little something here. Let's quickly get our stop. All right, that's good news. We can catch a better entry here because they're going to go downtown. But the problem is, you see, my stop is so goddamn little. They just come and keep chopping me. Ooh-wee. All right, let's see if we could get that. Don't come back and hit the runner. Just go down. You did not reach your target yet. Come on. This goddamn. Okay. Let me see why this is not happening. Okay. The 5 minute candle wasn't cooperating. Okay, that's why. It started to break the low and then it comes back in. Same thing happened here, but we're still gonna try to catch the move here. If they break 20 again, they're coming down. See if we could catch a 10 here. Come on. God damn it. They got close enough to the 10. They did not get it. Yeah, I know that was going to happen. All right, that's fine. Now it's going to happen before I even attempt to. I think they're getting ready to really punch through now. Let's go. Okay, I think I should wait. Because this candle is just one annoying one. Let me see. We'll wait here again at the 30. If they break below 30, they will give us a quick 10 points. But which they did. All right. So let's see if now they're gonna. They're not gonna keep the runner alive at all. It's like every time they come, they just come. I think if this candle close green as a doji, it will be a better trade on the next 5 minute candle when they punching through. But the problem is this candle is just playing a lot of game. I think I'll wait for it, because it's playing game. Look at now. It's coming back down. Can't trust it. 39 seconds. This is a new 5 minute that is started to print. Okay, it's pushing above the previous doji candle here, above the body. So we're gonna wait for when it break 615. But we stay there at the 620. If I think once they come and break below 620, they're gonna push down to that, maybe test that 600 again. Okay, we in the trade. Hopefully they don't come for our stop here. All right, that's it. They didn't come for our stop first. They made the move because my stop is like 10 points. It's just very little. So that's why I can take so many trade back to back with no problem because I have a very small stop. But I'm depending on the runner to run. But this market today is not giving the runner much leeway at this point where they are. And let me see, they never touched that 600. Look at that. And then they come back 50, almost 50 points out of there. Okay, 5 minutes is changing the thing into a stupid range here. They're probably gonna try to create a. I mean, it's still making lower high, but look at this 5 minute candle. It just take over the other one there, and it's about to reach up here. It's gonna reach 700. Can we take a counter trend here? Because I know it's going towards 700. Let's see if we could catch something on the next momentum above. Not really. The counter trend would be they would need to break above here again, above 60. Let me see. Yeah, above 60 for it too. But it looks like the Bears quickly smacked down the hope. Okay. If they can break convincingly again above 60, we can get them to do a test of the 700. But I think I will not take that trade. There's the better trade is that they're gonna go down to test the 600 first before going after 700. So I'm stay here. Well, I guess the Mr. Market is saying, "What are you talking about? You're talking smack here. What's up? What did you say?" Yeah, yeah. All right, all right. This little avatar is fine, but I'm gonna make a 3D version that show when I really move around. Okay, they decide to do the move and try to get to that 700 in no time. They're already there. Yeah. Okay. This zone where they are now, this area where they currently messing around, it's gonna chop people. Look at those long wick. They're probably gonna chop some people in that candle before doing anything. They probably push up and then before the candle close, retrace and you know hit some stops of the latecomers. You see, they're trying to do that right now. Yeah. Anyway, if you happen to stumble in this on this video, please hit the like and subscribe. You know, And I have a few links down in the description that you can check out. I have links for Lucid and my code for affiliate. Lucid, DayTrader, Phidias, Bulenox, the Legend, and so forth. So check them out. You use my link and my code, you always get the best discount, and you also support the channel, which is a good thing. And I appreciate you if you do so. You know, I always appreciate you, whether you do or not. But I appreciate you even more if you use my code and my link. Why is this? Is this even live? Hold on, let me make sure. I hope I'm not just talking the whole time. I am live, right? Why my phone doesn't see me? Very strange. Could it be that I'm not? I'm still on private. I gotta double check. Let me check something here. Okay, says I'm live here. I'm. We'll come back to this after. Let me make sure. Yeah, it says okay. I don't know why it doesn't show anyway though. This is just very strange. Google just mess around, man. You'll be live and then they chose not to show. That's what's happening right now. I'm live, right? But I go to my YouTube. I take my phone and I don't see me, even though I have a dummy account just to test, and I don't see it anyway. And that probably explains why there's only one person there, and that one person might be nobody. It might be my test account. But the thing is, this doesn't show me at all. Hold on, let me look for myself. Am I still live? Yeah, it says I am. Wait, is my thing just that is old? That's not the one. Okay, this one is the one. Okay, let's just test. All right, just my phone is acting very slow. But yeah, confirm. I'm live. All right, so price just stuck here and doing nothing. Let me see. Low was 602. Okay. I think what might happen is, from what I'm seeing here, we're gonna continue going down, but it possibly gonna be on the next hourly candle that's gonna come in 30 minutes from now. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. The right. Let me see. Can we make a move to 720? It looks like there's potential for a move to 720, but the area where price is right now, it's just there's long weeks everywhere. So, but there's a chance, not a chance. There's a move to 720 here, but I don't know because of the long week. I don't know if I should do it, but I'll take it. But it probably will hit my stop before reaching there because we have long week. Let's see if yeah they're coming for the stop. Yeah, because this candle cannot have any momentum to really make a push to get to that 720. Okay, all right. This is a new. Okay, here we go. It made it. I knew they were going to that 720. Okay, but the problem is now this is a new 5 minute, so it's right around that little resistance area. Let's see how far they can get. I know they can get to 750, but those long wick that exist above make it hard for somebody to jump in, right? Why is this do that? Let me put to lower quality. See. I don't know. Is this really? I'm not sure. Can okay, okay. I know this is live. Let me look for it elsewhere. Um, this is strange. I don't know if YouTube even showing my. It looks like YouTube is playing playing game. Okay, go to one of my other. Let's see if I go here. See why I was saying that, yeah, to watch out. Yeah, because this little area is gonna trap people up that think it's just gonna break out right away. But it could. All right. Um, I don't know. Hey, something very strange happening on YouTube. I'm not sure. I'm not sure they even advertising my video at all whatsoever. But I'm live. I am live, but YouTube is not advertising it because why am I not seeing? Let me go to a different. Let's see. Last time I went, there was. Okay, I see it. Okay, I see. I see. All right. Okay. Just I confirmed that YouTube. It, but the only problem only it seems to only advertise to subscribers only. This is a problem. How am I going to get new subscribers if my video only advertised to subscribers only? There's a setting on YouTube. Maybe I'm gonna try to test that out to see. I think I saw a setting where you can choose to when you put a video out whether it goes straight to subscribers. So there's a check mark, right? I'm gonna see if that check mark mean anything. I don't know. Maybe it's a check mark that I'm supposed to keep off. Maybe I think so. When I'm because maybe that's why my subscriber base never really grown. There's a check mark somewhere. I usually see that says send my video to subscriber, this and that. Now it's too late because the video is already live. So, but I usually see it somewhere. I'm not taking trade with it because price is just stuck where it is. So there's no point of going in there and get smacked. Okay, so that setting, once you're already on live, it's no longer available. Okay, that's fine. Okay, doke. Good to know. But next time, I'm gonna start the stream with that setting off. The setting that says just send something about send to subscribers, this and that. Actually, I'm about to end the stream soon, so there's no point. Oh, there's somebody here. Hey, welcome, Jets. I was just talking to myself whether I should end the stream because nobody shows up. Hey, thanks for being here. Look at this. Okay. As soon as they show up, they quickly gone. Do I have sound? I think I do. All right, I'm about to take a trade here. I can see on the 5 minute there's potential for a good trade to happen because candle formation is setting for a potential three bar play for a move. Yeah, they started already, but the stupid long week situation is what holding me back, making me not take that trade yet. But I think let's get the first target out here. Yeah. And then that's exactly what I was talking about. That I see that the 5 minute is showing that potentially we gonna have that little breakout happen because of the candle formation. We have a couple of green candle and then we create a three bar by the minute that this candle did not break down the last one, the red one. So we were waiting for a breakout of this area and it happened to. Okay, we made it to the 750 and about to test that same area that long week situation has been happening. Uh, I would think maybe if it give us a retrace to 720, we might be interested in taking. It looks like 730 to to 730 to around 720. A good area right now since we stuck here on those long week, right? If you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate you being here. And yes, all right, let's put a little bit of. We're gonna start exactly at 11. I think I'm gonna take a nap after that because I wake up early today, very early. Uh, on Tuesday, I usually wake up early, so that's very early. All right, let's put some Arabian soul. Uh, Keep the music not too loud, but I don't know why this doesn't show. Okay, it's working fine. And this, you see, I create my own OBS, and I think it's better than OBS and any other one out there. I don't know if I should put that thing for sale, man, because it actually work. It has a lot less latency. It looks like OBS and these other companies sometimes they purposely, I guess, maybe give that 5 second latency thing because from what I'm seeing here on my that I create, my latency is less than a second. Anything I do instantly shows. Anything. It's about less a second to about a second. That's all the delay this really gives. That is unbelievable. Yeah, that's great. So I'm taking so no longer OBS. I'm gonna look to add a little bit more features that I can use. such as OBS have this feature where you can scroll things at the bottom, on the screen and things like that. You could do this kind of thing. Maybe I'm gonna add these features. Okay. Just chilling here because there's really nothing happening. If you jump all over the place, you're gonna get smacked because this long week area is holding. But the 715 is also holding. We're about to test that 750 again. Maybe we could catch it with 10 points. Oh, it's already there. Yeah. Alright, anyway, it's no big deal. Let it pass. Yeah. Yeah. What's up? Okay. I think they're ready to attempt to start going up there and test this long weekend in the 90s. Potentially, let me see how much time left. Yeah, it's a new 5 minute. So we could catch something if they retrace to the 740, 750 ish before going to the 790. Maybe that's where I might take one. It looks like they are attempting to do so. Yeah. Alright, let me see. I'll put on order to buy if they were to come back to that 750. Although it might be a falling knife. Because this market volatility is just stupid sometimes. So they're getting close to my entry to the place where I want to enter, but not yet there yet. So they're still holding that 56, 55-ish. It looks like we might miss the trade, so no big deal. Because of the way the market is, you can't rush into any trade right now. It's look at it, it's just standing still, just messing around, and then if you give us that trade, we'll take it as long as it's not a falling knife. But I needed to give it to me before. Okay, it's not giving it to us. Okay, that's fine. Alright, now it's going to. Come on, you wait candle, so let's make it happen. Okay, they're just washing to see if they can get it. Alright, you're not gonna give it to us where I want it. Let me see. Can we take it here? If we could get it. Yeah, they're gonna touch that 90 already. Forget it. Forget it. They didn't come to give us the opportunity. Now, I'm looking at the 70 to 60 area here. We might be able to get an opportunity. You know what? If they don't touch 800 on this candle, we might get it on the next candle, but not right as soon as the candle shows up. It will be. Let me see how much time left in the time. We still have 1 minute, so okay. I like the 70 area here. Come on! Give me that 70 before you go to that 800. Anyway. Hello, whoever's there with me. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Alright. Yeah, if you have any question, if you could type something and I will try to answer. Hey! Yeah, this market Right now it's just starting. But there's a new 15-minute candle though that just shows up. So maybe don't take my run out. Keep me in the trade. Actually, I'm gonna. Alright, okay. Alright. My first target was 10 points. So I'm keeping the runner in now. And see if they can continue pushing because they're trying to get to the 800, but the thing is they may come. Oh, there you go. They come for my runner. Alright. So we could catch another one when they come back and break. Well, apparently this turned into a red candle, which I was thinking that it should. That's good. So I'm not gonna jump in right away. I'm gonna wait to see what happens. Because what happened is it may stay there for a little while until the next 5-minute candle comes up to make the run to the 800. If this candle that is printing now, right, doesn't collapse and load that candle, it stays within the body, and then the next 5-minute candle will come, we can get the push straight to 800. But it looks like they're not gonna wait though. They're not waiting. This candle says, hey, I mean, I like to play your wishes, but I don't give a damn. Alright, let's catch a more to 90. I'm trying. Let's take quick 80 again. I think we can get 90. That's if they don't just come down and get my stop before making the move, which they are trying to do right now. Because my stop is like around usually 10 points, 12 points. So once they break above the 80, the 90 is in play. Okay, here we go. Boom. 10 points, really quick. And then my runner is still alive. Let's see if they can push above 90 and make it above the 800. VWAP is up there. Once they have enough momentum to make it up there, right? So we'll see if the runner will make it up there. Let's see. Come on, keep pushing. Normally, I'm trading on a 50k valuation from Bulenox. It's intraday. Normally, you get your account blown. The reason my account is not getting blown, my stop is very little, and I've had many wins. So to compensate for every time you see me, my stop get hit. So they make it above the 800 here, and I said VWAP is up there. If there's enough momentum, that is the target. VWAP is up there at the 50s here. 850. So it looks like they're trying to get there. God damn it. In one shot. Alright. Going in. I'm gonna try to see if first target can get hit at the 45 here. Alright, God damn it. They got close to it and did not take it out. So I'm gonna stay there and let it happen. Come on. Not gonna be a thing for this because they're messing around. Alright, I got my first target in. It's probably approximately 8 points or so. Because they're gonna go to that 50, but since they've been extending, I didn't want to wait for them to retrace back after they already get close to my target. Let's see if they can push to the 51 here and even break above VWAP. Let's see. Possibly, they might. There we go. Yep. They touch VWAP. Let's see the reaction. Are we gonna get smacked or we just gonna jump above VWAP here? Alright, that was the runner. Yeah, doing great. see, this is a 50K valuation. I already made, let me show you, 1700. Hold on. Before I even show you. Okay, they're gonna retrace back a little while after pushing up. They might reach the 877. We right at the resistance area, close to VWAP. Um, yeah, they're pushing now, but I think this candle that is pushing will retrace, come to the middle of here again, and that will be when we re-enter. Maybe a test of the 800. All right, I was about to say something. I was about to show you. Yeah, see where this is what I already my profit currently, right? So it's a 50K valuation. I could call it a day and then come back tomorrow and finish it. That's on 50K from Bulenox, and it's intraday account. You know those intraday. Oh, by the way, since I mentioned intraday, I have a free calculator down in my. Shit, I think I should have. I don't think. Oh yeah, I have a free calculator down in the description that lets you check your intraday. Meaning, if you don't understand how intraday work, which means when you got an intraday account that have end of days, there's intraday trailing drawdown, right? If you have an intraday trailing drawdown, what happens is every time the price moves up, there's a trailing stop that you cannot see that move up. But when price move down, that stop doesn't move down. So you might be in profit and then you blow up your account because the stop has been moving, right? And then somehow price come back and take you out, let's say at break even, and then you still blow an account. Okay, it looks like we're going to test that 900 straightforward. It didn't even come back at all. Let's see when can we get 70. Test of you up. We're going to try to catch something here before we reach 900. Where do we enter? Where that VWAP? VWAP is right. I'm going in there and I put my stop below this candle and then I stay there at the 70 here. Close to the 70 for my first target. They may come for my stop though, because this candle is retracing. I mentioned that was going to happen, but since they got so close to 900, I think they can give me a run here. Okay, yeah, the run happened, so they push up right back. Because they got so close to 900, I don't see any reason why they don't go and tap it, right? Even if they want to turn away, then come in the middle of that candle. So the runner is doing its running. So, all right, cool. You know, one good thing about me creating my own thing is the delay on YouTube is a lot less. When I use ODS, there's a bit more delay. I create my own tool. That's what's happening. This is my own ODS I created that I'm using to connect to YouTube. And it's pretty good. It has a lot less delay than latency, a lot less latency than OBS. OBS latency is approximately 3 to 5 seconds. This latency is less than the max that it goes is about maybe a second, less than a second to 1 second. And I'm sure, and I'm currently on my laptop is currently on Wi-Fi. I think if I plug directly to my network cable here, it will probably have no delay whatsoever. And I'm on Wi-Fi and it's like less than a second. So I think my tool is good. Claude did a great job. I explained to him exactly how to create that. He did a great job doing so. news. There's a new hourly candles that's gonna show up, and unfortunately, even though we're going up right now, I think we might continue going down. Here's why. Here's why I said so. You see the hourly candle, massive red candle. This our current hourly candle. Since you can't take over there, and it's right around the resistance area here, which is the prior day low, close to prior day low. If they cannot make it above prior day low, we might get pushed down next hourly candle once again. After poking the prior day low, they might poke it first and then push back down. And we have 4 minutes for something like that to happen. So the next hourly candle is coming in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And then right at 11 o'clock, I'm going to call it a day. This is the usual for me. And 11 o'clock is the time. Yep. Good. We're going to wait to see what happens. We start trading once again. And then still 4 minutes before the hour. Looks like they have summer school, but I live close by the school, so I see a few cars outside. Okay, all right, sliding down to go test that 800. People getting nervous before the next hourly candle, so that's what's happening. So we're just gonna chill and wait for that hourly candle to show up, and then we'll see if we take a trade right before I leave. One more trade, right? Whoever is there with me, thanks for being here. If you've never been here before, hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate you trying to build that subscriber base, and you can really help. Also, there's some links down in the description that you can check while we're waiting. If you are a prop firm trader and you need some prop firm account, I have a code for Lucid, I have code for Bulenox, I have code for DayTraders, I have code for Phidias, I have code for the Legend. These are all pretty good prop firm. I have code for DayTraders. These are all pretty good prop firm that you can check out, and they usually have very good discount. Using my code, you always get the best discount. Best discount ever. Check the links down in the description and the code that you can use to get those discounts. Also, while we're waiting, down in the description, I mentioned that free calculator situation already. I have my website, Future Prop Edge, that you can check it out. And there's like 2 free calculators that you can take advantage of and use. These are tools that are important. When you get there, you will understand. I have one that is a risk calculator, another one that is a passing planner calculator, and the drawdown calculator. These are all tools that you should take advantage of. Check the website out, futurepropedge.com. The link is down in the description. Alright, it looks like we couldn't touch the 900, so they're waiting for the hourly candle. So it's coming in a few seconds. 30 seconds. It start pointing already. So I think it's gonna pretend that it's pushing up first. There's a range that exists way below the range, right? So it might pretend that it's going inside the range on the hourly here, and then after that, make the push. When I said pretend, it's still gonna be a considerable move, a move to potentially above 900, maybe all the way to 920 or so, right? Let me see. Maybe to 900, 900, 910. Okay. Um, it's tempting to take a long, but the hourly candle formation is setting up to be a 3 bar play for the bear, for the hourly on long, kind of long time frame, right? Higher time frame. But for short time frame, the 5 minute still giving an opportunity for quick zero something, because they will attempt to go here to the 941 where they go. Yeah. Okay, just chill and wait. There's no point of jumping in right away when hourly candle just shows up, right? As you can see, people trying to still figure out whether you're gonna push up or down. But I think candle formation with that massive big red candle tell me that we have more room to go down. And when I initially start the stream, I mentioned that 27,400 is one of the potential target that if they move continue, that's one of the potential target where they're going. So, and if you look at 27,400 here, that would practically almost the same size as this red candle here. So, yeah. So, and that is possible. That don't mean you just jump in and take a shot right away. You gotta, wait for, make sure you take an entry that is good for you, because you don't wanna just enter and then your stop get hit. Especially if you're using big stop. Me, in my case, I can enter anytime because I'm using 10-point stop. Now, I'm not saying using 10-point stop is a good thing, because you can get chopped and then price still goes in the way that you are really thinking where it's going. And the solution to that is to use less contract so you can have bigger stop, maybe even trade micros, instead of, the volatility is big enough in this market to trade some micros, like 5 micros at a time, so you can have bigger stop. If you used to have 10-point stop with 5 micros, you can choose to have a 20-point stop or even 30-point stop if you want to. Alright, so it started to do what we are expecting, right? So it did that little tiny wick. I don't think the wick that it created is big enough on that candle. So that's why I'm waiting to see, because it didn't create such a big wick. Like, give it more of a fake out. Push up, suck some people in, right? And then once they push down, then everybody get trapped. Okay. There's a lot of things going on for the bear here. we below VWAP. Let me see where we are in terms of. Okay, we below the POC. It's all the way up here. That also opened the door for. Okay, that's also opened the door for price to attempt to go up there. So we have this area that is a resistance area, but that's the way to the 28K. That would mean they would move, the 200 and change point. Yeah, they can do it, but I still believe they're gonna go downtown. But at the same time, if they don't go downtown right away, based on it still look like they will. Because unless they can show that they can break above 850 and start continue pushing, and then probably they will get stuck up here at the 28,000. I think they're going downtown. This because the hourly candle, but it's not going fast right now. It's going slow. Obviously, it's 11 o'clock, so I said I was going to take one more trade. I'll take it just for entertainment purposes and education only. I think on the break of 30, we can get a test of 50. But I'm going to take first target maybe at 40. If they don't take my stop, of course they did. We enter. Put my stop slightly below 800 here. Let's see, can you get 30 again? So we can catch that 25 for first target. Okay. All right, it's not happening. They are coming for my. Okay, all right, that's it. I'll save the account for tomorrow because it's 11 o'clock. I think there's potential for a move higher, a little bit higher, but it looks like it's gonna happen on the next 15-minute candle that's coming 8 minutes from now. So that's but on the hourly, it's definitely trying to do what we said. It's gonna go and test the low here and continue going down. And potentially get to 400. Alright, let me take one more trade on the downside. I think wake up 80 here. Give a push up. Even though they push up, I still think there's a higher probability that I could catch 10 points going down. Yeah. There we go. Come on. You know you want to go test 80, so give me that first target there at 85. Ah, shit. They're going to go for my start instead. I'll stay right here. If they take the start, they take it. But I really believe they're going to come down here. Just, I like to have small stop. If I put my stop, if somebody has a stop all the way up here, you can wait for the move down here. They're coming down, but it's just, they will play games, so yeah, as they just did just now. This is why I don't trade 11 o'clock. This is why when it's 11, I'm out. That's the reason. There's a lot of fake out. They don't have conviction. Yeah, that's one of the reasons you always see me says it's 11 o'clock. I'm calling it because there's no conviction on those traders that are there. It's only some small guys that are still around trading. So there's no real conviction on what the market is doing. Let's see. If we break 800 again, we can catch a move. But obviously, you see what's happening, right? They didn't break it. That's why I say no conviction. they just out of nowhere they just push up. Alright, we'll catch a one instead. Because it looks like we can, with this no conviction move that just happened. Wow, look at that. Then you have magic. Alright, I'll try to catch a one because I can. This is crazy what just happened. This is why 11 o'clock is not a good time to trade. Look at this. Out of nowhere, this candle pump up and then retrace the entire move. A lot of people start get hit right away after they catch the move. They were in profits and then right away they start get hit. And look, it's turning red and pushing down. I was thinking that it would be long because of what happened here. It's not worth it. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. It's not worth it because if that move happened, this entire move got retraced. That's what from 880 to 820. It's a 60 point move up, 60 point move down. That is 120 point turning around in no time. So, yeah. Okay, I think I'm truly gonna go and call it a day. Because it's 11 o'clock, you can see what's happening. It's a lot of, fake out and going around. That is happening. So, yeah. Alright, I'm thinking on taking another long here. Shit, it already happened. Alright, so we'll take it to 50. Okay. Alright. So I did that because of the momentum that I see was coming, trying to fill up the week once again. Yeah, alright. At this point, I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna wait for it to enter. If they break 70 again, I'm willing to stay to catch the first 10.280 if they don't just collapse on me. Because they should go to 80, but they're gonna collapse again. Alright. One more ride at VWAP. We ride at VWAP. I'll go for it because of the VWAP. Keep this slightly below that candle. I'm waiting for it to test of the 70 here. But they may come down. And as usual, they will do that, hit my stop, and then keep moving. Keep moving. If well, I need to wait for the next. Let me see how much time there's 1 minute for it. Okay, it looks like they're gonna go. They're gonna do it, but it's just they have to play again. Alright, let's do this. Alright, yeah, I know they're gonna do it, but it's just they have to come and chop people up, get your stop, this and that. Like right now too, they're gonna go to that. They're gonna break the 80, but let's shit. I was gonna try to catch that 70 toward the 80. But let's see. Oh, okay, looks like I will still have the opportunity to do so. Okay, good. There's a lot of volatility. What's going on? Is there some news? Something is happening? You can see the candles tell you there's something going on. Something we don't know about yet that is happening. But unfortunately, they're gonna come for our stop one more time. Yeah. Well, Let me see what the 5 minute is doing. I'm gonna call it a day. That's it for me. Okay. And let me see. How much can I salvage from this account? Well, there's nothing much to salvage. Nothing much. Okie dokie then, we call it a day. Alright, bye bye. Hit the like and subscribe, right? So, because this market is just stupid. A lot of up and down, but goes nowhere. Okay, alright, take care. Bye bye.